Talking about dreams.
What dream inspires you the most?
I want to be a photographer. I hope to visit many countries someday.
That's an amazing dream. Can hard work make dreams real?
Yes, with patience and effort. I had a funny dream yesterday.
Really? Tell me. I dreamed I was talking to animals.
That must have been interesting. I want to start my own small business.
You should try. Why not? My dream is to make my family proud.
That's a lovely goal. I saw a dream that made me nervous.
It's okay. Dreams can feel strange sometimes. I always dream of improving myself.
Keep going. You're doing great. Do you remember your dreams every day?
No, only a few. I want people to know my work.
What kind of work? Dreams give us hope.
Yes, they really do. I want to live in a quiet place one day.
That sounds relaxing. I dreamed something nice today.
That's good to hear. Let's focus on our dreams.
Yes, little by little. I trust my dreams.
That's important. I want to win a big competition.
Keep training for it. Always believe in yourself.
I will, for sure. My dream is to meet someone I admire.
Maybe one day you will. Dreams make us think big.
Exactly. They push us forward.
In the supermarket.
Where can I find the vegetables?
They're in aisle number 5.
I need some fresh bananas.
You'll find them on the left side.
Is this orange sweet?
Yes, it's very sweet today.
Do you have any special offers?
Yes, the yellow labels show all offers.
I want a small basket.
You can pick one near the door.
This trolley has a broken wheel.
Let's take another one.
This trolley has a broken wheel.
Let's take another one.
I think we missed something.
Let's check the list again.
Where do I pay for these?
At the checkout counters ahead.
Can I use digital payment?
Yes, all digital payments are accepted.
I need a packet of flour.
Do you want the small or big pack?
Are these cucumbers good?
Yes, they're very fresh today.
Can you wrap these things?
Yes, I'll pack them right away.
This bottle is too heavy.
I'll carry it for you.
I want to exchange this product.
Please show your receipt.
Any deals on biscuits today?
Yes, they're on 20% discount.
I can't see the salt.
It's on the top shelf.
Can I try this juice?
Sorry, samples are not allowed.
Do you sell bread here?
Yes, it's in the bakery section.
I can't find my phone.
Let's ask at the lost and found counter.
Thank you for helping me.
No problem. Enjoy your shopping.
Visiting a relative.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks for coming.
How have you been?
I've been busy, but fine.
Your home is beautiful.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, that would be nice.
How are your children?
They're doing well, thank you.
It's been so long.
Yes, I missed you.
Are you staying for dinner?
Yes, if it's okay with you.
How is your health?
Much better now, thanks.
Can I help you in the kitchen?
No need, you're a guest.
This food is delicious.
And happy you liked it.
Let's take a photo together.
Sure, say cheese.
When will you visit us?
Maybe next weekend.
Your house is very clean.
I cleaned it this morning.
What should we watch on TV?
Let's watch a movie.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, the weather is nice.
Tell me about your job.
It's going well, thanks.
Your garden looks lovely.
I take care of it daily.
It's time for me to go.
Okay, visit again soon.
Thanks for everything.
It was my pleasure.
Have a safe journey.
Thank you. Take care.
On a picnic.
The weather is perfect today.
Yes, great day for a picnic.
Where should we sit?
Under that big tree.
Did you bring the food?
Yes, everything is packed.
I forgot the plates.
Don't worry, we can share.
Let's play a game.
Good idea. How about catch?
This sandwich is tasty.
I made it myself.
Can I have some juice?
Sure, here you go.
Let's take a group photo.
Everyone, say cheese.
Watch out for the ants.
Oh no, let's move the food.
Did you bring a mat?
Yes, it's in the bag.
The kids are having fun.
They really love the park.
Let's go for a walk.
Okay, let's explore the area.
I love nature.
Me too, it's so peaceful.
Can we play music?
Yes, but not too loud.
This view is beautiful.
Let's enjoy it fully.
Do you want some fruit?
Yes, please, I love mango.
I feel relaxed here.
That's the best part of picnics.
Let's clean up before we leave.
Yes, we should not let her.
I want to come again.
Me too. Let's plan soon.
What a lovely day.
I'll remember this picnic.
In the park.
Let's go for a walk.
Sure, the weather's nice.
I love this park.
Me too. It's very peaceful.
Look at those flowers.
They're so colorful.
Shall we sit on the bench?
Yes, I'm a bit tired.
The grass is so green.
It looks beautiful.
Do you want to play badminton?
Yes, let's play.
The children are playing happily.
They're full of energy.
I brought some snacks.
Great, I'm hungry.
I brought some snacks.
Great, I'm hungry.
Let's take a photo here.
Good idea. This view is nice.
The birds are singing.
It sounds so sweet.
Do you want some water?
Yes, thank you.
This is a perfect place to relax.
I agree. Let's come often.
Let's do some stretching.
Okay, I need to exercise more.
I like jogging in the park.
It's healthy and fun.
What time is it now?
It's 5:30 p.m.
The sun is setting.
Let's watch it together.
I think it might rain.
Let's carry an umbrella next time.
That dog is very friendly.
Yes, it's so cute.
I feel calm here.
Nature always brings peace.
Shall we go home now?
Yes, it's getting late.
Talking about weather.
It's very hot today.
Yes, I'm sweating a lot.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, it makes everything fresh.
It's very cold outside.
Wear your jacket.
The sky looks cloudy.
It might rain soon.
It's a sunny day.
Let's go out and enjoy.
The wind is strong today.
Be careful with your umbrella.
I love the winter season.
I like it too, but only with warm clothes.
The weather is perfect today.
Yes, let's make the most of it.
It rained all night.
I slept well because of it.
Do you think it will snow?
Maybe. The temperature is low.
The air feels fresh today.
Yes, it's nice to breathe deeply.
I don't like humid weather.
Me neither. It feels sticky.
The weather report said it'll be sunny.
That's good news.
I got wet in the rain.
Why didn't you take an umbrella?
I love watching thunderstorms.
They look powerful and scary.
It's foggy this morning.
Drive carefully.
I want to go out and enjoy the rain.
Don't catch a cold.
The weather keeps changing.
Yes, it's very unpredictable.
It's too hot to go outside.
Let's stay indoors today.
The sunset looks amazing today.
Let's take a picture.
Online shopping.
I want to buy shoes online.
Which website will you use?
This site has a big sale.
Let's check the offers.
I found a good deal.
That's great. Buy it fast.
The delivery is free.
That's even better.
Do they accept cash on delivery?
Yes, it's available.
My order is delayed.
You should contact customer care.
I want to return this item.
What's the reason for return?
The size is too small.
Then exchange it for a bigger one.
The quality is not good.
You can write a review.
I got the wrong product.
Raise a complaint immediately.
How long will the delivery take?
Around 3 to 5 days.
I need a coupon code.
Try checking online for one.
Is this website safe?
Yes, it's a trusted site.
I want to cancel my order.
Do it before it ships.
I love online shopping.
Me too. It saves time.
What did you order?
I ordered a smartwatch.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, all cards are accepted.
The prices are cheaper here.
Then buy from this site.
Let's shop together online.
Okay, I'll open my laptop.
My order arrived today.
I hope you like it.
Traveling abroad.
I'm going to Canada next month.
That's exciting. Is it for work?
Have you got your passport?
Yes, it's ready.
I need to apply for a visa.
Do it early to avoid delay.
My flight is in the morning.
Don't forget to set an alarm.
How long will you stay there?
For about 2 weeks.
I'm nervous about flying.
Just relax and enjoy the trip.
What's the weather like there?
It's cold, so pack warm clothes.
I booked my flight online.
That's the easiest way.
I need to pack my bags.
Make a checklist.
Do you have travel insurance?
Not yet. I'll buy it soon.
Where will you stay?
In a hotel near the city center.
Have you exchanged currency?
Yes, I got dollars yesterday.
I'm afraid of immigration questions.
Just answer honestly and clearly.
I want to try foreign food.
That's the fun part of travel.
I'll miss my family.
Stay in touch through video calls.
What will you do there?
I'll attend a conference and visit some places.
Did you check the travel rules?
Yes, I read everything online.
Let's meet before you leave.
Sure, I'd love that.
Bring me a gift.
I will, don't worry.
Have a safe journey.
Thank you so much.
Using public transport.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's just around the corner.
When will the bus come?
It should arrive in 5 minutes.
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
How much is the fare?
It's only 10 rupees.
I need to get off at the next stop.
Don't miss it. This bus is very crowded.
Yes, it's rush hour. Do you have change for this note?
Sorry, I don't. Let's take the metro today.
Good idea. It's faster. The train is late again.
It happens every day.
I missed my train.
Don't worry. Catch the next one.
Can you tell me where this train goes?
It goes to the city center.
Is this the right platform?
Yes, this is platform number 2.
Let's book a taxi.
Use the app on your phone.
This cab driver is very polite.
Yes, I like his service.
How long will the journey take?
Around 30 minutes.
I feel tired from standing.
Let's sit when a seat is free.
Please move forward.
Okay, I'm going.
Do you travel by bus every day?
Yes, it's cheap and easy.
I lost my ticket.
You may need to buy another one.
Let's get off here.
All right, follow me.